are going to read about a new topic of the DSA, that is the recursion. Recursion is a technique in which a function calling itself, that is known as recursion. In recursion, there are the three part. First, work. Second, small work, and third one is a base case. Now, let's write its definition and one by one understand it. Recursion is a technique in which function call itself. There are three main part of recursion. Work, small work, and base case. Here work is the main problem. Suppose that a program statement say that find out the factorial of the 5. Factorial of the 5 is a work, itself work, and a small case is a small work is that a small part of the work is known as the small work, and base case is that where the function is going to the terminate it, where it's going to the end, that is the known as the base case. Now let's understand this term in example. We are going to find out the value of the factorial 5 with the recursion. How we are going to what is the value of the factorial 5? How we are going to find it? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the now the main work is the 5 factorial. What is the value of the 5 factorial? This is the main work, and we can say that work 5 into 4 factorial. Okay, here we can write above sentence into the same. In second sentence is also same. 5 factorial is we are going to write it the 4 factorial we are going to write it the 4, 3, 2 and 1. We are going to write it now. Here the small in this program, when someone going to ask me what is the factorial of the 5, at that point of the time we are this is the small work. 4 factorial is the small work. Is small work, and now again 5 factorial again what is the factorial of the 4? 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial. This is the now when someone going to ask me what is the factorial of the 3, at that point of the times we can say that 3 multiply 2 factorial. This is the when someone going to ask me what is the factorial of the 2, at that point of the time 2 multiply by 1 factorial. That is the answer. Now we are going to calculate it. What is the value of the 1 factorial? The value of the 1 factorial is 1. Now we put the value of the 1 factorial is 1, and here 2. What is the output of the 2? We get the 2, and here we are going to add the we are going to put the value of the 2 factorial, uh, 2 factorial in this, and here we are going to the multiply it with the 2 and we get the 6. Now same things we do with the here, multiply what is the value of the 3 factorial, we get the 3 factorial 6, and 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 24. Now same things we are going to same things, what is the value of the 4 factorial, 24 and multiply by the 5, 120. This is the final answer. And now let's understand with the now let's solve the another let's understand with the same things with the another problem. And there is a Fibonacci series. In Fibonacci series, how we are going to the find out, we are going to the add two previous element, and the output will come, we are going to the put it, that is the and first element and second element is the already given, that is the universal true. First element is the 1 and second element start from the 2. We are going now, what will be the next value, we are going to the add 0 and 1, at that point of the times we get the 1. Now again we add one previous two element 1 and 1, we get the 2. Again we are going to the add 2 and 1, we get the 3. Again add 2 and 5, 2 we are going to the 5, 8. This is the if someone say that what will the value of the next, we the value of the next is depend upon the two previous value, and that is when its work is dependent upon the small work, at that point of the time we can say that these problems belongs to the recursion. Now solve a LeetCode problem, that is the 509 Fibonacci series. Here here we see here it's given that find out the Fibonacci fn, and it said that when n equal to 0, it's when n equal to 0, it means function 0 equal to what, 0, and if 1 equal to, at that point of the times it give the value of the 1. Now it means that when n equal to becomes 1, at that point of the times it will return the value 1, and when n equal to 0, at that point of the times it return the value 1. That is known as that is its means. And what is the small work? Small work is the if n plus if n minus 2, that is the small work. Now let's solve it. If n equal to 0, it is going to the return 0, and second things, if n equal to 1, at that point of the time return 1, and at the end return what, we are going to the return fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. This way. Now run this problem. Okay, it said that if I be at Fibonacci, okay, 3 test cases the passes. Now let's submit and see that how many test case passes in this program. Now out the test case